Sunny, we have seen you, like you've worked in many films in Bollywood until like for so many years, but we have never seen you like in the recent times we have not seen you in a like a multi-star. Like of course we have seen you in Border, which had a lot of actors, and Dar alongside Shah Rukh. But after a point we didn't see you working with many actors. Like you are friends with Salman, you're friends with many of the actors. Would we ever see you working with them, or have you consciously stayed away from doing multi-star roles?
If there's this script कोई script हो जिसमें लगेगा कि I fit in the script with all the other any other actor, definitely I'll do it. But unfortunately कभी कोई ऐसी चीज़ आती नहीं है. I have no idea. But I have definitely I would work with anyone.
सनी, इधर इधर इस साइड पे. सनी, जब भी आप नए लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं तो वो बेचारे पहले से हिले रहते हैं. तो उनको कंफर्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं आप?
नहीं, कोई हिला नहीं होता है, हिला तो मैं ही होता हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. आई थिंक स्पेशली इस फिल्म में तो इट वाज लाइक अ फैमिली एंड सब चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छी थी. एंड जब भी मैं जहाँ भी काम करता हूँ, आई ट्राई टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिट सो दैट कंफर्ट लेवल इज़ देयर, बिकॉज आई लाइक टू बी कंफर्टेबल. नहीं तो माहौल अच्छा नहीं होगा तो काम नहीं अच्छा हो सकता. And definitely Behzad and Karan and all the kids over here, everybody has done a great job. And definitely when you'll see the film, पता चलेगा. फिलहाल तो भी मैं तारीफ ही कर सकता हूँ.
घायल, आपकी घायल 2 आई थी, उसमें बहुत अच्छा काम करवाया था आपने नए लोगों से, जो भी थे आपके साथ. बहुत अच्छा काम करवाया था. तो यहाँ भी कुछ नोट्स तो आपसे लेते ही होंगे.
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं.
करण हैं और हैं जो आपके नज़दीक हैं.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं, लेकिन इतना ज़रूर है कि जब भी हम सीन करते हैं, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ सीन जिसके अंदर हम इंडल्ज हो जाते हैं. उस वक्त ये नहीं होता कि हाँ डेफिनेटली कहीं ऐसा होता है जहाँ मैं कुछ ना सही कर रहा हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली करण कुड करेक्ट मी एंड आई कुड डू द वॉइस वर्सा. बट ऐसी कोई चीज़ें हैं नहीं जो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आदमी किसी को सिखा रहा है, बिकॉज हम खुद अभी भी सीख रहे हैं. सो इट जस्ट गोज ऑन.
Approach, so. They really liked it. They've not seen too much of the film, so like they were pretty surprised when they saw it. But unko achhi lagi. They're waiting to see the actual film. They're not going to like put me on a pedestal and make it seem कि क्या trailer है, क्या teaser है. So we'll know once the film is out what they really think.
Hi Ishita, मधु BBC हिंदी से सामने आपके.
हाय.
इशिता, कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जो आपकी इमेज बदल देती हैं. तो आप मानती हैं कि इससे पहले हमने जितनी भी फिल्में आपको देखा था हमेशा चुलबुले अंदाज में ही देखा है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम हम आपको प्रॉपर एक्शन करते हुए देखेंगे, तो आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म कहीं ना कहीं आपकी इमेज बदलने में कामयाब रहेगी?
I think as an actor, that's what we always want to do, different kind of roles, and sometimes for some reason you don't get the kind of roles that you want to do. But yeah, in this I'm playing something very different, and I'm very happy and excited about it, and I hope कि लोगों को पसंद आए, and in future I get to do not just action, comedy, and something else also.
She's changed as a person also. Every day on set she'll ask me, आज किसको मारना है? So
I in fact wanted to like.
आज किसको तोड़ना है? Sorry, तोड़ना was the word.
Hi, Sunny ji, I'm Pankaj from Urban Asian on your center. Hi. In your career, I don't remember seeing you playing a negative character. Correct me if I'm wrong. In this film also, Karan is from the trailer it seemed that he's playing a grey character or negative character. Were you tempted to play a negative character, or have you consciously stayed away from negative roles?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. कहानी अच्छा कैरेक्टर हो तो definitely whether it's negative or positive doesn't matter, but there has to be justification to what I mean in the character, and would love to do it. And my question to you is, would you want me to see me in a negative role? You would want to see me in a negative role? Doing what? Huh? Torturing somebody? Huh?
So we'll do blank 2 and we'll turn the tables.
Ishita, hi, Priyanka. Hi. Ishita, you were superb in Drishyam, and I think that's been your breakout performance in Bollywood. But after that, and even previous to that, you've been a popular TV star. But tell me, is it very difficult for an outsider to get meaty, to get good opportunity roles in Bollywood as compared to TV? Do you think it's easier for TV actors to still get great opportunities?
There is no right answer for this. I think it depends on the person. It depends. I think luck is something that I really believe in. to be in the right place at the right time. Like I started from television. A lot of people thought I wouldn't. But I did, and I got good roles, and I was happy doing that. And yes, Drishyam is the film that, like people associate me with, but I have done a lot of work. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is difficult, and not just for outsiders. I think it's difficult for everybody because there are a lot of talented actors out there, and everybody's struggling and trying to get, and it's just, sometimes it takes a little more time, and sometimes it's the first film, and you're sorted. So yeah, I think that's my answer for this.
Behzad here. So congratulations, this is your first film as director as well.
Thank you.
So आप ये बताइए कि set पे जो first day of shoot था वो कैसा रहा? Because you're directing Sunny Paji and Karanveer and Ishita. So how was it? What was the scene and
Honest answer?
जी honest answer.
फटी पड़ी थी on first day.
तो कैसे संभाला गया सब कुछ?
At some point we feel if it's written in the stars, it just starts to flow. And first day we did have a few issues because we were shooting at a dicey location, which was Worli Village. There was action, and my mistake to start with that. But somehow that sequence has come out the best. So we just, grit our teeth and did our job. And once we survived the first day, then it just started moving. There was no issue after that.
Karan,
all right, this is the last question.
Karan, as a newcomer, do you, right here in the center.
Oh, hi.
Karan, as a newcomer, do you feel any, are you nervous that, there's already so much competition with so many newcomers coming in the industry every year? Do you feel the worry, to perform and make your place in the industry?
No, not really. I think competition is something that's inevitable in any field. So I just want to do the best work I can do, and I think that my work will speak for itself. So I don't really worry or think about what other people are doing. And I think the more actors that are coming up, it's only better for us because there are so many good stories out there that need to be told. So I think it's only a good thing for the industry that there are more young actors coming through.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys.
And
I believe it myself, or I'm very proud, and I hope that you guys like the trailer and you guys go support the film on the 3rd of May because बहुत मेहनत की है यार, तो please जाकर देखिए.
सर आपके लिए ये फीलिंग हमेशा नहीं होती, सेम होती है, और it's just the first time, first feeling, first movie?
I think first of all, I think should all encourage Karan. I think he's done a great job in the film. And
so have
the
you.
trailer, I'm sure,
Thank you, guys.
is something which y'all can make up your mind about. And I was with him throughout the journey, and I think I'm really very proud about.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, thank you.
Lot of action scenes and thriller, sir, पूरा भरा हुआ पड़ा है. करण 2.5 किलो का हाथ आप पे पड़ा क्या एक भी?
पड़ा, काफी बार पड़ा.
तो वही afraid क्या सीन था वो जब शूट कर रहे थे?
नहीं, we weren't afraid. We went into it with enough preparation. हमें पता था क्या करना था. I was more excited than scared to get hit by the 2.5 किलो का हाथ. So it wasn't fear, it was excitement.
पड़ेगी तो अच्छा है ऐसा.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
अच्छा सर, आजकल एक चीज़ बहुत हो रही है, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. आई एम होपिंग मीडिया वाले भी सवाल पूछे. ट्रेलर के बाद सर बहुत सारे मीम्स बनना शुरू हो जाते ट्रेलर के ऊपर, तो आपको ऐसा क्या लगता है कि इस पे क्या क्या मीम्स बनने वाले हैं?
यार मैं इतना जो ये सोशल मीडिया में घूम रहा होता ना, तो मेरे पास इसका जरूर कोई जवाब होता. क्योंकि आई थिंक इसके बारे में बस यही होगा कि जो हमारा ट्रेलर है, जो हमारी फिल्म है जिसका नाम ब्लैंक है, आई थिंक दैट ब्रिंग्स अक्रॉस के हर चीज़ एक चीज़ जिसके बारे में हम जानते भी हैं तो भी हम ब्लैंक होते हैं उसके बारे में. एंड दैट्स द होल थिंग ऑल अबाउट. और जैसे हम टेररिज्म में किसी की भी बात करें तो एक चीज़ छुपी हुई है और ना किसी को खुद को पता है कि वो क्यों कर रहे हैं. I think सब लोग जो भी कर रहे हैं पैसे के लिए कर रहे हैं.
All right, with that we just want to invite Karanveer, Ishita on stage. Woo! Round of applause for Karanveer and Ishita. Can I have 2 more mics?
अरे यहाँ AC नहीं चल रहा क्या?
AC चला दो यार, बहुत गर्म हो रहा है. इशिता, ये पिक्चर आपके पास कैसे आई या आप इस पिक्चर के पास चल के गए? What was the scene like?
With me, I don't know why I'm always the last person to enter a film. Whatever work I've done till date.
देर है, दुरुस्त है.
Sorry for the other person who gets replaced. I'm really sorry. They feel really bad, but same thing happened with this film. I think 2 days before the shoot.
like that.
Yeah, they called me and they said, you know, aisa hai Husna, the character that I'm playing, and would you come and meet us? And you know, and it just worked out. In 2 days, I was shooting and doing a lot of action. So that was the highlight for me because I have always played roles which are very simple and you know, simple सी लड़की है, हाथ नहीं उठाती. But here I got to like.
मार धाड़.
Awesome in the film.
ये ऐसी फिल्म है एक्चुअली जिसमें आप फिल्मों में देखते हैं कि लड़का लड़की को चेस कर रहा है, मतलब लड़की लड़के को चेस कर रही है.
पहली बार.
लेकिन इशिता, यू हैव गिवन द क्वेश्चन टू द मीडिया. किसको रिप्लेस किया आपने?
Don't answer.
Blank हो गई मैं तो.
All right, there are 3 Karans on stage. Karanveer and Karan. Karanveer, आप कैसे बने इस मूवी का हिस्सा, अगर आप बताएंगे तो?
सनी सर को करण नाम बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
अच्छा, yes sir.
Honestly, I'm here because of, first of all, पहला कॉल जो मुझे आया था, मुझे टोनी डिसूजा का आया था. So टोनी का जब भी मुझे फ़ोन आता है ऐसे ही आता है, कल क्या कर रहा है, ऑफिस आ जा. ऐसा, अरे मैं शूट पे हूँ. बोले नहीं आ जा, अच्छा रोल है तेरे लिए. So this is the second time around I'm working with Tony and Behzad. Azhar की थी हम लोगों ने पहले. So it was a wonderful experience and they thought, and it's my privilege, उनको लगा कि मैं इस किरदार के लिए सबसे अच्छा काम करूँगा.
Wonderful. अगर उन्होंने बोल दिया तो let's invite on stage the director of this movie, Behzad. The writer of this movie, Pranav. Pranav, are you here? Producers of this movie, Saurabh Prabhakar, Vice President and Head of Carnival Motion Pictures, Nishant Pitti and Vishal Rana. Can we have all on stage? And I think Mike, अच्छा, we can just keep passing on the mic. Okay. बेजाद सर, आपसे पहले सवाल पूछेंगे. बेजाद हमारी जो बॉस है ऑफिस की, रेडियो सिटी की, उनके बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, तो अपना तो व्यवहार पहले से ही बन गया है. लेकिन ये 2-2.5 साल से प्रेपरेशन चल रही है, कैसा रहा था प्रोसेस, इफ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट?
प्रोसेस तो काफ़ी अच्छा था, बट इनिशियली जब मैं, प्रणव और करण, हम तीनों एडीज थे बॉस पिक्चर पे, तो तब से ही सोच रहे थे कि कुछ करेंगे, लेट्स मेक अ फिल्म टुगेदर.
Short film.
We started with a short film, but अभी तो full length बन गई. But things started to get moving after we met Sunny sir. But when we were writing the role, Pranav and I had a thought in mind that the character of this ATS chief should be somebody like Sunny sir. Somebody like Sunny sir. That's how we were writing it. Until Tony sir turned around and said, "Why somebody like Sunny sir? Let's go meet Sunny Deol." मेरी तो फट गई to start with. Because I had a completely different impression of the man.
I also had the impression when I met him first time, but he's very sweet and very genuine और बहुत comfortable कराते हैं.
Yeah, so in my first meeting only he says, देख बेटा, जैसा मैं स्क्रीन पे हूँ वैसा हूँ नहीं, तू बिना टेंशन नरेट कर, मैंने स्टोरी ऑलरेडी सुन लिया, मैं कर रहा हूँ तेरी पिक्चर. So that's when it worked out.
So sweet sir. सनी सर सबसे अच्छे, मतलब ऐसा है नहीं, और मेरा तो नाम करण है तो मेरे से तो ज़्यादा अच्छे से है. लेकिन to the producer of the movie, Saurabh Prabhakar, Vice President and Head of Carnival Motion Pictures. सर, आप जब पिक्चर में पैसे डालते हैं, क्या सोच होती है? बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन होता है? बिकॉज नाउ 1-1.5 साल से द सीन हैज चेंज्ड, कंटेंट ड्रिवन मूवी हैज बीन डूइंग वेरी वेल. तो आपके दिमाग में क्या था व्हेन यू स्टेप्ड इन दिस मूवी?
यार हमारा प्रोसेस बहुत सिंपल था. व्हेन Behzad came and Vishal and Tony came to us with the story, we were sold actually after the first narration. So I knew that the film has a lot of potential and it will do well. So that's the only reason we chose this film.
Asha, there's one question I want to ask everybody on the stage, one, and then we open the interaction with media. आपके life में, because the movie is called Blank, एक ऐसा time आया होगा where you were completely blank, like इशिता भी हो गई थी जब मैंने सवाल पूछा, who did she replace? But ऐसा कोई moment था आपकी जिंदगी में where you were blank? Behzad, you want to start?
TYBCom economics paper.
Told my answer.
I just passed in that.
अच्छा, आप दोनों ने same year में दिया था क्या फिर?
10 standard maths.
We are 10 years apart.
Oh, so he has 10 standard maths. सनी सर, आप कभी blank हुए अपने life में?
Not really.
नहीं?
Unless somebody asks me something stupid, then I'm blank.
All right, this is for the media right now. So, आप करणवीर?
जब भी बेहज़ाद के साथ शूट करता हूँ तो मेरा पहला शॉट ब्लैंक ही होता है. Because his strict brief was कि I don't want acting, I want just blank.
Oh, sir, आप.
So as producer, if they call on the sets, then I go blank.
पहली line.
Pranav sir.
Right now.
You should talk about it's a movie right now.
Come on.
About my blank moment, or
blank moment, or just like how do you feel right now?
how I feel right now? It's a very surreal experience. Trust me, I don't think we actually expected to be standing here. It came as quite a surprise. Our idea of making a film has always been that we want to make something that we love to watch, and I think that is what should be on everyone's mind first and foremost. You want to make something that everyone would like to watch, not just something that is very personal to yourself. And it's been an incredibly uphill task trying to figure that out. And during that also we've had many blank moments. Brainstorming sessions के time पे 5 मिनट के लिए दिमाग चलता है और फिर आधे घंटे तक blank होता है. वो भी होता है बहुत बार.
So do you guys take breaks? क्या लेते हो? 2.5 साल की break. All right. We'll have a group picture and then फिर question answer with the media. I'll take the mic. All right, thank you so much. With this, I would request Sunny sir, Karan Veer, Ishita and Behzad to be on stage for media interaction. All right. Please, जैसे एक चीज सब लोग बोलते हैं at the trailer launch, questions only related to movie. हाँ, चेयर
का कुछ हो रहा है, AC
AC लगा दो यार जल्दी, वरना खत्म हो जाएगा तब तक. ठीक है, however you comfortable.
Hi Karan, this is Urvi to your